Hi guys, hope you're all well. Right, I've got another video for you here. Basically, in this video, I'm going to show you what one of the things I do with a lot of my offcuts. Doing chainsaw carving, obviously, you end up with some weird, awkward lumps, shapes, you know, funny wedges, bits and pieces. A lot of these are off birds I've been carving at the moment. These are like back pieces, you know. So, anyway, yeah. I'll get straight into it. Basically, a great way to make the most of some of these offcuts is to simply take something like a die grinder. If you have a rotary tool, even a carving knife would do, like a spoon carving knife, and quite literally just put paw prints in them. So, I mean, I probably won't draw it as well as it'll turn out, but they're quite effective. Do something like this. Just do it. It ends up like a dog paw. I mean, with a smaller tool, you could probably do a cat paw or something. But I mean, just quickly sketched out like that. Put your toes in. And this can be varied. You can do it for any number of animals, you know. Oh, not the best drawing. There you go. Well, I'm sure we'll balance that up, but that gives you a rough idea of what we're looking at. And then to take a rotary tool like this, I'm using my cordless Dewalt die grinder. A wonderful bit of kit. I'm just getting used to it and working out what it can do and stuff. But yeah, no, it's proving really interesting to work with. But yeah, anyway, basically, with the die grinder, so as you can see, really quick, really simple. I mean, obviously with a bit of sandpaper, clean it up, and then I'll show you in a second, but I take a pen and I just burn around the edges to make it stand out of the wood a bit more. Once you've got all that ground off, I just use a small burner like this and quite literally go around the edges of the paws and it really nicely brings out the, oops, a bit windy outside for this little pen, but we'll just do it quickly just to give you the general idea of it, you know. Crank that up a bit. And as you can see, just putting that bit of flame on it just defines the very edges of the pour, you know. Brings it out nicely. So I just made this one real quick so that you can see the difference. I mean, this one's still got the ink on it, so it doesn't show it off in its best, but as you can see from this one I just quickly made, it really does have a great effect. Okay, so there you have it. A really great way to make the most out of some of your offcuts. Really quick, really simple, really straightforward. All you need is some kind of rotary tool like a die grinder and a flame pen. You don't even need the flame pen really, but like I say, as you can see for yourself, it really brings out the effect in that. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you haven't already done so, do hit the subscribe button so you can stay in touch with any future projects and things that we get up to. And I also will put some links in the description so you can check out these things that I've used, the die grinder and the pen, the flame pen. So yeah, anyway, I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.